Okay, just going to make a little video of this working. I haven't tried the variable in this. Sure looks like it's working to me for the variable. I guess we're down to about 4 watt dead key with the variable turned on. Audio, hey, hello audio, test 1, 2, about 170 some watt swing. With a 4 watt dead key, it'd probably sound pretty crunched up way down there, but that's working. Now we're just going to go to the high side. Audio. Hello, audio, damn, that's kicking ass. But then again, I am pushing quad 5, which is about a 50 watt radio. Hello, audio, but it's definitely kicking ass. I guess we should say that the Toshibas are working.